How to find the best niche. So there are different ways for you to be able to search and check what will be the best niche that you need to go into, especially as a newbie, because you are new in the market and you don't know where to start. So firstly, you need to check, like affiliate marketing is like any business, right? You need to check what are the issues, the problems that the audience are having. You can do that by just checking what is the gap in the market, what is it that has not been covered, and try to, you can even be the first one to promote that niche, but you must be careful in that aspect, because if you want a niche that will be profitable, rather you stick to what people have already created. Just reinvent the model and run with it. So the next one is you need to draw from your own interests, life experiences, and hobbies. So you need to check what are your passions and also your life experiences. I can let's just say, for an example, you just got a new car and it's a new model, and when you go to Google, you search for that particular model, and maybe you have an issue that you need to solve for that particular car, and there's nothing on the net. Then you can start and start a review based on that, based on the life experience that you've experienced with that particular model. So yeah, and also your hobbies, what interests you, what do you like to do. If it's rock climbing, mountain climbing, things like that. So the next one is you can use Google. You can also use the search tools that we have, like SEMrush, just to check what are the people searching for normally on the net, and that will help you to check and ascertain what is the best niche that people are searching at that particular moment. So we need to think of the big idea. So you have determined that, okay, you need to go with your passion, or you need something that is profitable. So if that is the case, then you need to choose within the following market. These are the main three that are currently high in the online business. So the first one is technology. We know that with the current situation in the world with COVID, people are now working from home. You can do a review of a webcam. You can do a review of a microphone. It will depend on you, that people can use, because most people are starting their own YouTube channel. So you can do that. Health and fitness. So for health and fitness, you can do gym equipment. You can also do food that are within the health niche. So I know most people now are pushing a keto diet. So you can check which one you want to go with. And the one that I'm mainly interested in, that is what I'm pushing right now, is make money online. So with this one, what is nice is, before you choose a market, you need to choose a market that has a lot of opportunity and that is diverse. So don't choose a market that is silo and you'll just focus on one thing. So make money online. You can promote digital product like your ebook. You can promote software, that is your traffic software. There'll be software that normally comes up like on Warrior Plus and JVZoo about traffic, and there's also informational product. So there's a lot that you can push. So but it's up to you which market you want to get to. So while you are choosing that market, you also need to take into account the product that you want to promote. If it's a physical product, that will be, from an example, from Amazon. You can choose that, and because that will also have to it's all about storage space and all that, and Amazon will handle that for you. All you just have to do is just to sell the product, have an affiliate link and sell the product that are coming from Amazon. So the next one is, do you want to focus on platform-based product? which is, for example, Bluehost. It can be a forex. There are different forex organizations out there that have affiliate programs. You can just sign up in one of them and also try to promote their platform. And there's also booking.com. So if people make a booking via your link, you will be able to earn a commission. The next one is a digital product. This is what I was talking about in terms of making money online. So we have the main platforms that you can get the digital products so that you can promote. These are the products that have been created by different vendors. So it's ClickBank, WordPress, and JV2. So these are the main ones. There are others out there, but these are the main ones that I'm going to focus on. So you will be able to promote your digital product. What is nice about this, you don't have to worry about storage space. It's a digital and you can just reuse the same product. I don't have to even update it, the same one, and to sell it. The next one is software. So software, there are a lot of people out there that are creating software. It can be related to traffic software that will tell people how you can send your traffic to a different traffic source, and also how to create PDFs so that you can manage your campaigns, and people can be able to check your campaigns, and that's how you can just generate your offers by using that software. Now we have selected the market that you want to go to. Let's say you've selected make money online. So how are you going to get this offer to your potential customers? So you need an audience that you need to send this particular offer to. So we are done with the niche now. So now we need to drive the traffic and send the offer. So this is what needs to happen, right? We need a bridge. The potential customer will enter their name and email, and then this bridge will help you to send the offer to the customer. But before you do that, you need to warm up the customer first. Don't just bombard them with the sale the first time and say this is what I'm offering, please purchase. You need to build a relationship. And how do you do that? So suggestion is you need to offer something for free. Everybody likes freebies, right? So offer something for free. You can offer a template. You can offer a template on for example, on how to write email swipes. Just have like different emails swipes that you can offer a customer, and say you can customize based on your offer that you are offering, something like that. You can offer an ebook like how to start affiliate marketing and how to promote your product, maybe using Instagram, YouTube, anything. Just be creative. And also you can also offer some kind of a training to say I'm offering an affiliate marketing training for 10 days. So if you take up this, if you provide me with your email and name, your details, then you will be able to attend this training, or maybe it can be a webinar. You offer it for free. Once you have an email list, now you need to focus on your customers. How are you going to maintain them? How are you going to keep them so that they do not unsubscribe to your email list? So you need to create content, not just any content. You need to create a value. You need to think what will entice the customers and what are the customers looking for. So you need to do your research and provide value to the customer in terms of the content. So this you will be able to send them in different ways. So the next point is how are you going to send this content to your audience. So you must find out where are the audience mainly at for that particular offer that you want to promote. So if it's a make money online, are you going to drive your source via YouTube using organic source, or are you going to use paid ads? So that will be up to you. Are you going to use web pages? So there are different sources where you can drive traffic, but with those sources, make sure that you also have your bridge where you'll be able to get your information. the name and the email address, so that you can send them, you keep on sending them the content and give them value. And then maybe on the third or fourth email, then you can just send them the offer to say, oh, I have this interesting product. If you are interested, please click on this link just to take action. Because at that time you will have built a relationship, so it's not like they're seeing your messages for the first time. So they'll also have warmed up to you and they'll trust you by then. So that's how you build your relationship, and that's how you get your customer to see your offer for that particular niche that you have selected. So I will suggest that you choose one specific niche, especially as a beginner. Don't just promote a lot of product from different niches just to start off. Just select one niche from let's say, for example, you want to promote health and fitness. Stick to that niche until you understand from start to end what affiliate marketing is all about, and how do you promote your product, how do you build an email list, because email list is the key. Email list, that's your business. Without an email list, you do not have a business. And once you understand how to drive traffic and all those elements that comes with affiliate marketing, then you can focus on the other niche. So that's my video for the best niche in the market. So if you liked what I've just presented, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And also just let me know what videos you want me to make for you that are related to making money online, and I'll do that. But for now, thanks for watching my video.